Hey y'all, welcome to the channel and thanks for tuning in. Have you ever wondered how to have hot water for cooking and bathing when you're camping or living off-grid? Well, look no further. Let me introduce you to the Joolca Hottap Nomad Kit. It's the world's smallest water heater. As you can see, the kit comes with everything you need to get started, except of course the propane tank. You get the entire plumbing kit for your sink and a shower. You get a gas hose, a liner stand, and it all fits neatly inside the carrying case that also serves as the sink. Now that we have it all set up, let's see if it works. Voila!